guys, good evening guys. I don't know why the lights is okay, it's better this way. Good evening guys, how you all doing? So guys, today is another day. Since morning I've been so busy and I didn't even pick up my phone to vlog, but this is evening. This is past 6 in the evening and I and my son were alone in the house. Hobby took my daughters to the park to go and play. My son is not the outing type. He prefers to stay at home. So I just wanted them to go so that I can be able to clean up the house, tidy it up a little bit. I just need tidying up my son's room, my daughter's rooms. I washed their bedspread and I have to put it back because it's winter, so I need to there's a way they lay beds here during winter, you know. You have to package it well so that the bed will be warm. So that I've been doing, and I'm in the kitchen right now because hubby asked me to do something for him. So guys, let me drop the camera. So hubby demanded for this. It's called mozzarella. He demanded for this mozzarella and fresh tomatoes. So I'm about to prepare it for him. Guys, I've never done this before, but there's no harm in trying. So I'm going to be preparing this for my husband. Where's my scissors? So we'll prepare this together. My Italian family, those in Italy, come and watch your daughter or your girl prepare what she has never prepared before. So guys, let me look for scissors. I'm back with the scissors. So let me position my camera so you guys to see what I am doing. This is plate. My plate. This is my tomatoes. I'll be washing it. This is the plate. Guys, I'm surprised. These are it is. So I don't know how Obi wants me to do this. And there's water inside. So this is it. I poured water away. So it has water. We pour it away. Sorry, yeah. Please tell your daddy to take it to the hospital. Okay, thank you. Okay, you. What would I do? So guys, this is how it is. This is how it is. I don't know how many I'm going to prepare for him. So let's wash the tomatoes. I'm going to be using only just one. When they're making 12, I'll put another one. Maybe this one, maybe my kids will want to eat. Guys, this is it. This is it though. Just keep it for him. When he comes, he'll come and eat. This is what he said he wants to eat. So he's on his way. Let's put back this tomato, the remaining tomatoes in the fridge. My fridge is empty. It's leftover soup. I'm gonna go put for them. And this leftover mozzarella. So that's just it. Yeah, home. How was your experience? 2 packs.
We went to the park beside it. It was so fun.
Moga, remove your face. Let me see.
It was good. We bought
what did you buy?
chocolate that we bought yesterday. That we made yesterday. Bought it.
Only your children know.
And
There's
you
only
know
bought this.
Look at. After eating.
Guys.
Besides eggs.
See what? These eggs.
That one that we eat yesterday.
Yesterday, okay. This Easter eggs. And I'm going. We'll keep this thing now. We use it for game for them during Easter.
No.
We'll hide and they'll go find out.
No. Mommy, no.
Guys, see this delicacy.
The one I see, but that one is €7.
So, Onima, let me get fake for you. Onima, I put maple lemon. It's okay. So guys, I'm so sorry, my SD card got full. So I added little granite oil to what my husband is eating. So let's eat this one. Can I eat it?
Not me, for we are.
So guys, I decided to do voiceover from this place because hubby was on call. He was making calls, and it's private, so I decided to mute the volume and use voiceover. So hubby got us pie when he and his kids went out to the park. So this was the pie, and I really enjoyed it. Even if I said I want to reduce, I don't want to get fat because this pie contains lots of sugar. But what do you want me to do? All these things interest me. I just have to eat. So here I was trying to dish it out for everyone to taste. I was trying to share it out for I and my kids because hubby, these things don't interest him at all. So he was just enjoying his meal. So later that evening, I decided to make egusi soup. So here I've already boiled the meat, stock fish, dry fish, bonga fish. So all the fish I know I could use, I've already boiled them. I've added palm oil. So here I was adding the egusi inside the pot. So this egusi has been in the fridge, so it's a little bit blocked. So that's why you can see the lumps. That's why you can see it like this. So the egusi is blocked. So I just have to make use of it because I've been waiting for it to defrost, but time is going and we are hungry. We've not eaten, and this is what we want to eat this night. So that is it. I've added the egusi and I've turned it. I'm allowing it to boil. Add a little water to eat. So let the egusi soup start cooking. So that's it, guys. Okay, here the soup has boiled. I think I left it for like 3 to 5 minutes to boil. So now I'm adding my dry pepper. So what I'm showing you guys is dried grounded pepper. So I'm adding my grounded pepper, and the next thing I'm going to be adding again is my grounded crayfish. So please ignore this container so I'm using to put my spices because I just relocated, so I've not had the chance to order containers, but I decided to make use of our ice cream containers. So all the yogurts we've been getting, I decided to make use of it. I'm only to buy the container, so we don't have to trade them away. So that is the nut cubes I'm using. I'm using 2 nut cubes for this soup. I'm adding salt. So this is salt. I'm adding salt, so you can add salt to your own taste. This is salt. I came and I noticed that this salt is a little bit salty, different from that of Nigeria. So now I'm trying to combine every ingredient together, turning it. The egusi soup is already coming out well. Guys, you can see the look. You can see the look. I can cook for state too. It seems I'll start food business here in Europe. Maybe that is what I'll do in Europe. I'll start considering it. So here I've mixed every ingredient together, cover the pot, and allow it cook. So this is after about 3, 4, 5 minutes. Our egusi is getting ready. You can see the look, you can see the face of the egusi soup is beautiful. Everything is complete except ice fish. I hardly use ice fish for my soup. So every other fish is in here. So here I'm adding my dried bitter leaf. Before I use my dried bitter leaf, I first of all soak it with warm water for like 2 hours. Then I will parboil it to remove the bitter taste. I'll parboil it to remove the bitter taste before I start using my dried bitter leaf. So for those who have dried bitter leaf, try this and you will know. So I'm testing if every ingredient is okay, and I just confirmed it that every ingredient is okay. So I'll just cover it for the dry bitter leaf to cook for like 1 to 2 minutes, and voila, our egusi soup is ready. Guys, look at this face now. See this beauty. Check it out. Everything continue, not too much water, just everything at point. Correct egusi soup. If you sit down and eat this with semo, guys, it's another level. So that's just it. I'm trying to turn everything to make sure the water and everything dry up a little bit. So that's it, guys.
My egusi soup is ready. The water to make yam pando is ready. Let's go make this.